In the brewery, take a look at their parking. They also have the mid-block parking, a little bit narrower. See how it feels different. And take a look at how they've done adaptive reuse on all their buildings. How pedestrian friendly are some? Which ones are more successful? Juneau on 9th Street gives you a good comparison of the old historic buildings, intersection paving, the mid-block parking, and their parking structure. Do note that when you do the crossings, in order for accessibility, it needs to be smooth where you actually cross. The bricks add a little bit of a rumble that can slow traffic down or call attention. And this is their parking structure, again, hoping for retail on the ground floor to activate it. You'll see when walking through the brewery development, they have put a significant effort into sustainability. With the large bioswales, underneath Juneau is essentially like a bathtub where they collect a lot of water. Just past the entry to the parking structure, take a left, go through a series of public spaces. Interesting way to accommodate parking. It can also be closed off for a space, but typically this is only used for cars. And some bikes. Walk through the space, see how you feel. Some shade, some open areas, limited seating. Also can use the walls. How could it be more inviting? This space serves more as an entrance to the apartment building. It offers opportunity for different ages. And if you turned around behind me, you'd see the building access and some bike parking. This is one of the new construction, Women Vigor with housing. One of the last buildings that they have, I believe, left. We're gonna walk across McKinley to access their parking lot. But again, take a look at integration of sustainability, use of materials. How friendly do the buildings feel? Continue east past the Gabion Wall. This is Zilber Park. Underneath is a significant green infrastructure, water storage, but also a gathering place. Take a look at the mix of materials, seating opportunities, use of landscaping, and how do you feel in the space? When thinking about traffic circulation and drop-off, this is a hotel, therefore they need drop-off unloading zone. How are those incorporated in the design of neighborhoods and cities? You can hear the rumble that the brick creates, an additional public space across. One thing to consider in urban design is how do you create gateways into neighborhoods. The Third Ward has very significant arches, but the Brewery has unique landscaping, industrial signage, and in this case the roundabout. Creates a clear entrance to the neighborhood. The challenge with very large facilities can be where's the front, where's the back. This is 6th Street, clearly a back, but best effort to break it up with different materials, landscaping, and some signage. This is also a significant connector, and one of the reasons this Plaza Deer District is successful. You have very active uses, but it was also important not to turn their back on Old World 3rd Street, and this creates that strong connection. Quite spectacular in the evening. On Juno again, walk through, sail pedestrian, human scale, what does it feel like? And this is the another parking structure to look at activation, hopefully on the ground floor, and architectural details, so it feels more like a screen and less like a structure.